Matt Trost is trying to bring back happy hour. At Good Measure, a retro dive that used to be a tailor's shop a century ago, he and his team are offering excellent cocktails, most turned fizzy with carbonated soda, plus thoughtful food, from 4 to 6 each weekday.
It's a bunch of different combinations of highball drinks prepared by Sofia de Oliveira, my partner here. And we also have a patty melt special on marble rye, foie gras, caramelized onions, smoked American cheese, and Swiss.
Butter is slathered on that marble rye, pressed onto a hot skillet until crisp. He then layers Swiss and smoked American on the other side, plus a tangle of caramelized onions fortified with a bit of duck liver fat. Everything is stacked along with a beefy patty, served with a handful of homemade pickles. Happy hour price, $5. But there's a lot more than just the patty melt. His hummus features sunflower seeds.
It's part chickpea, and then instead of using a proper tahini, we basically made a sunflower seed tahini to make it a sunflower hummus.
Zucchini and summer squash are tossed with fresh mint, a pinch of Vadovan curry. Sesame seeds and olive oil are added along with sherry vinegar. Once that salad has been tossed thoroughly, he mounds it in the middle of the hummus, adding a bit more curry and sesame to garnish. A warm, crusty loaf of bread is the ideal companion for soaking, sopping, and slathering. And how many times have you seen a classic brandade on a bar menu? This salt cod and potato combo is labor-intensive. He places the mash beneath a broiler. Once the brandade is heated through to the point of bubbling, he pipes on truffled celery root puree and a bit of micro-celery. A side of warm bread is mandatory.
With melted leeks and some butter to kind of just create this, it's almost like a mashed potato and fish spread. The idea for most of these dishes is if you feel like sharing your food, it's the kind of food you can share.
And speaking of sharing, brought you a couple of snacks to dig in. Okay, so we're going to start with this sunflower hummus. It's really not chickpeas, a little different, but I love the vegetables in the middle of this too. There's sherry vinegar in here, which I know Stacey likes. The bread's fantastic. The brandade, you never see this on a bar menu. Again, salt, cod, and potatoes and garlic. Really, again, punching above its weight for a tavern. And then here is that happy hour special, the patty melt. Just love this, what he does with the foie and the caramelized onions and the smoked cheese and the marble rye and the homemade pickles, and really, really delicious, a $5 deal. And the cocktails, again, we talked about them a little bit in the piece, but they're really, really special and a great affordable deal on the near north side.
Okay? Awesome,
so check it out. All right, coming up tomorrow night, a cheesy, spicy chicken dish that's found on several Korean restaurant menus around the region. We're going to introduce you to the many pleasures of buldak. That is fire chicken, my Saturday night sampler. Tomorrow night at 10.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.